So guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will be talking about the new Vivo Y31s. Last week Qualcomm announced its Snapdragon 480 SoC, which is the first 400 series chipset from the maker to support 5G connectivity. Now Vivo has launched its new smartphone in the market with the new SoC, the Vivo Y31s. Vivo's new phone will be available in China initially, but company may launch it sooner in the other countries as well. It has been launched by Vivo in two different storage options. One comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage and costs 1498 yuan in China, that is around $232, and the other one also comes with the same internal storage but comes with 6GB of RAM, and this variant costs 1698 yuan, that is around $263. Both the variants are already on sale in China and comes in grey, gradient and red, three different color options. Vivo Y31s comes with a 6.58 inches FHD plus IPS LCD display panel with 1500:1 contrast ratio and 90Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the all-new Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G SoC and comes with up to 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 internal storage. The phone boots OneTouchOS 10.5 based on Android 11. Now if we talks about camera section, the device comes with a dual rear camera setup at the back, having a 13 megapixel primary lens and a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front panel sports a water drop notch for the 8 megapixel selfie camera. For security, the phone comes with a side mounted power button, integrated fingerprint sensor, and connectivity options include 5G dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1 and GNSS etc. 5000 mAh battery is provided with support for 18-watt fast charging to power up the device and comes with a USB Type-C port. Now talking about the conclusion, it's the first device in the market to come with the new Snapdragon 480 chipset, and the price is too high for a phone with a 13 megapixel dual rear camera and a Snapdragon 400 series SoC. Nowadays we are seeing smartphones with 5G connectivity support in the price range of around 120 euros, that is $146. Realme, Redmi etc. are launching affordable 5G smartphones, and at the same price we get much more value for money. So instead of purchasing this, you should consider other devices that are available in the market. And at last, if you have liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any future uploads from this channel.